123 Door Shield, the original reusable door protection system. Unzip the pre-installed hook and loop fasteners and it's ready to install. The red inner liner is your guarantee that you're using an original 123 Door Shield. Using the pre-notched handholds for leverage, gently lift 123 Door Shield and separate the layers at the middle. Then slide the saddle across the top of the door, centering it in all directions, and unfold the panels on each side. 123 Door Shield can be installed with or without door hardware in place. Begin by fastening the top hook and loop fasteners on each side of the shield. Then, if latch hardware is present, carefully break away the appropriate perforated sections in order to accommodate the existing hardware, regardless of the configuration. Finish by attaching the bottom fasteners. Door protection that's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Complete door protection that's easy to install and easy to remove. And because we care about our environment, each of our products is reusable, made from recycled materials, and when they reach the end of their useful life, they can be recycled. 123 Door Shield, protecting doors and protecting your bottom line.